Hello everyone, it's Blue again. I got inspired by Sosha, and you know what, I really like to use color. And why not just give it a shot and put this concept into my drawings. This video will divide into two parts. The first part will show you how to paint this background. After that, after we finish the base, I will show you 4 ways on how to use a gold pen in order for your art to stand out. Now, do you remember how I taught you to do what you went? This time, let's practice again. In case it's your first time to watching my tutorial, I will show you one more time. First, put enough water on the paper and ensure the water will flow naturally. Put the purple on the top and move your pen horizontally to reach the middle part. Then, wash your pen and put the red color. Put second layers of color and lay out in the clouds. At the same time, you can drip blue or purple color for the shadow of the clouds. Once it's dry, take out your white acrylic. Add it at the edges. Here, I will show you 3 techniques that you can use for highlighting the clouds. Okay, first, flatten your brush and move like this. The second is do the topping. I believe I can fly. And the last one is move your brush in a driveway. After that, I handle the shadow on the clouds. Flatten your pen point and do the video is showing. Last but not least, do the topping again on the edges of the clouds. After I finished my splatters, I start to take out my gold pen and my ruler. Draw the sky and lines. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. That's why I really love the gold color. My pictures start to come alive. Put the abstract and curly lines. Use your imagination and make your picture boom. That's it. In my next video, I will show you 4 ways of how to use your gold pen to enhance your illustrations. Thank you guys for watching. Please give me all your support. Like and subscribe mean everything to me. Hope to see you soon. Cheers!